So the first evaluation parameter, guys, will be coherence. The first evaluation parameter when you speak will be coherence. What do you mean by coherence, guys? What do you mean by coherence, or what do you mean by being coherent? What is being asked and what you are speaking. That is called as what? Coherence. Okay? For example, guys, they give you a topic, speak something about your favorite animal. What's the topic? And I started speaking about my parrot. Now will I get a band? I'll get a 0. Why? Because what is being asked and what you are speaking is not relevant. Parrot is not an animal, it's a bird. It's a bird. Now they asked you to speak something about your favorite actor. They asked you to speak something about your favorite actor. Then I started speaking about Deepika Padukone. Now what? I get a 0. Why? Because she's an actress. She's not an actor, she's an actress. What is being asked and what you are speaking, is it relevant or not? Now let's do one more case study. They asked you to speak something about your favorite pet. And I started speaking about my sister's pet. Now what? Still it's the right answer, but because you're still speaking about pet. That is called as what, guys? Coherence. What is being asked and what you are speaking, is it relevant or not? That is called as what, ma? Next, second evaluation parameter will be your fluency. Second evaluation parameter, guys, will be your fluency. What do you mean by being fluent, guys? What do you mean by being fluent? Speaking without stopping. All errors, 100 errors, but you are speaking without stopping. Is it fluency?
No.
See, guys, fluency is not about not stopping. It's about not struggling for words at any part of your discussion. I do struggle. I'm also human. I do struggle. See, up to what extent were you not able to struggle? Levels क्या देखें यहाँ पे? It's about what extent were you able to not struggle? They see that. And that evaluation is called as what, guys? They see at what speed were you. See, people go at the speed of 80 kilometers. They fall down to 20. Again, they raise up. They go 80. No, they don't want this. They want you to be fluent. Speak slowly. No need to rush up. No need to hustle. Speak slowly. Speak fluent. No need to rush up. And the third evaluation parameter, guys, will be your accent. What do you mean by accent here? What is accent in general terms? The way we pronounce, not speak. Speaking is talking. So, for example, let's take an example. Tell me, what is the actual pronunciation of that word which I wrote there? Original pronunciation. It is watch her. It is watch her. They don't want this thing from you. Let's be very clear, guys. What is accent? I'm giving you a clear example. Tolijoki water. British accent it is watch her. Tolijoki water. They don't want this thing from you. They are looking only for neutral accent, that is what? Don't behave like a Britisher, don't behave like an Indian. They want something which is really neutral, that is accent. Fourth evaluation parameter, guys, will be your vocabulary. What is vocabulary here? It's about were you able to use appropriate words. Make a note, guys. Appropriate usage of words. Make a note quick. Vocabulary is about appropriate usage of words at appropriate instances. Appropriate usage of words at appropriate instances. So the topic is environmental pollution, and I started using this word, guys. For example, the topic is about pollution, okay? And I started using this word emit, hazardous, and global warming. This is related to the topic, right? But the topic is globalization, and I use the same words. Globalization is about products getting global, right? And the word which I have used in the speaking is emit, वो 10 पढ़ लेके गया था सुपर में वो choose कर रहा है. So is it vocabulary there? No, it's not a vocabulary. See, the words which are using, the vocabulary which are using, is it relevant to the particular topic or not? They are going to consider that. That is called as what? Okay. Next. Fifth evaluation parameter is fillers.